What's up guys, so today I'm sharing this world's best broccoli recipe with you guys. So first thing first guys, we will take our broccoli and we will boil this broccoli at least for 5 to 7 minutes. Here the water is boiling, we will add the broccoli in the water. I'm not using all of the broccoli, I'm using half of it. So we will wait at least 5 to 7 minutes now. Alright friends, so it's been 2 to 3 minutes and I'm sure this is pretty much done because I was boiling this broccoli at a very high temperature. So it's all done. We will take it out from this boiling water and for now we will put it on the side. So on the next one we will take a second pan. This will be our main pan. Add some oil, or you can do olive oil in there. Add white onion. Add the sweet peas. So here friends, we will take the white mushroom, take out the bottom part, make the slices cube form, and make the cube forms. So here add the white mushroom just right there. So here guys, we will stir fry these guys for 5 minutes. So we have white mushrooms, white onion and the green sweet peas. Just for some extra flavor, we will add the red capsicum. So we will make like small cubes out of it. It's gonna give color to your dish and it's gonna give very nice fresh flavor to your dish. Okay, now take your broccoli, add the broccoli in there. Wow, the colors. So stir fry the broccoli at least for 5 minutes, and in the meantime we will add some seasoning to it. So let's go add some seasoning to it. So add some garlic powder evenly, some of the black pepper powder, some of the Ajinomoto, or you can call it a Chinese salt, and we will add some regular table salt. So here friends, I'm using this stir fry sauce in there. You can use any stir fry sauce from the market and you will be adding generous amount of stir fry sauce in there. Okay, at this point you have to make sure you're cooking this on a high flame. As you can see this water, so the water has to be stir fried and all the seasoning and the stir fry sauce has to get into broccoli and all other vegetables. Alright, we will take some parsley just like that, just the leaf spot, and we will add right there in our dish. Alright friends, it will be ready in just next 5 minutes. So here you go friends, our beautifully broccoli recipe stir fried with white mushrooms, white onion and a red bell pepper is ready in just 15 minutes. Alright friends, thank you so much for watching. Do try this recipe and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I will see you on the next video. There's only one word to it: delicious. Subscribe the channel if you guys are new here, and I will leave the recipe in the description box. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Bye now.